In this video, we'll go through the process of getting the camera online and connected to the Ultrasync hub so that the video feed can be viewed using the Ultrasync app. We will not go through the hardware installation of the camera. For instructions on hardware installation, please consult the installation guide. When connecting an Ultrasync camera to the Ultrasync system via Ethernet, you have two options for powering the camera. You may either plug the camera into AC power using the included power supply, or you can power the camera over Ethernet (PoE) from a PoE switch. In this video, we're powering the camera using a power supply, and we're connecting to the router using an Ethernet cable. Once the camera has completed the initialization process, and an Ethernet connection has been made between the camera and the router, you're ready to discover the camera on the Ultrasync system. On a mobile device, open the Ultrasync mobile app and enter the site as an installer. From the overview screen, select the menu icon. Near the bottom of the menu screen, select New Device Setup, and then select New Camera. Next, select Continue. At the Wi-Fi Discovery screen, you'll need to select either Continue or Connected Already. Since the camera is already connected to a wired network, we'll select Connected Already. Note, cameras and hub must be connected to the same network. The camera is now connected to the network and is ready to be synced to the Ultrasync hub. Next, select Sync Cameras and Hub, and then select Perform Camera Sync. Note, this step may take several minutes. When you see the Sync Complete screen, the connection between the camera and hub has been made. On this screen, you may edit the name of the camera by selecting the pencil icon next to the camera's default name. Enter the desired name in the field and select Done. Note, if installing multiple cameras, be sure to check the list to ensure that all cameras are showing as having been synced. If cameras are missing, run the Sync Cameras and Hub process again. Select Continue. You've completed the camera setup. Selecting Done will return you to the overview screen. You may now navigate to the camera screen in the Ultrasync app and adjust resolution, clip timing, and enable motion detection.